people, so I just realized that this young man might be a fixture in all my other videos in future also. But the fact is, that's what I feel, many of the people watch my videos just to see my rabbits and these different pets, and he's adorable really. And if you were to look at him, he's got the face of a like a wolf, you know, as in a Pomeranian tends to have a more round face, but these other breeds, that is the husky, tends to have a face of a wolf. So you can't see this young wolf here right now. There you can see him. So normally I would never buy from anyone. Like, I feel there's so many homeless little puppies that you could give them a home. But the thing is, the person who sold it to me lives in the next apartment, and he said he would come practically every day to take him for a walk. And in case I'm traveling, this young man has a place to stay. So I found that a very lucrative offer, because with regard to dogs, I've realized it, much like how it is with children, it should be a network of people looking after them. It kind of helps, you know, to have. So that was the allure, and true to his word, this gentleman did come yesterday. Ow! Shush. Ayush, bus. Ayush, I'm calling him Sammy. And actually, because now this guy is loose, I'm keeping my rabbits confined in a cage. But in the night time, in a room, I leave them free, so they basically have 12 hours to run about and roam. But then daytime, actually, they were messing up the place. I mean, rabbits, I don't know how to quite poo train them. So then they leave all these pellets all over the place. So at least now that is under control. This guy, I will poo train him to do susu poo in one particular, like I plan to get some big tray, and I'll put newspaper on it. If you all have some better suggestion on how to poo train a random dog like this, do let me. I mean, like completely little brainless little dog like this. No, but he's very cute, very sweet. So do let me know. And I don't know how I'm continuing to record with this crazy guy. And I've realized I have to speak loudly, otherwise nobody can hear what I'm saying. So it's important to speak loudly, just as loud as this young man. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.